Hello everyone, and welcome to a new product highlight video. This time around, we'll be talking about a product from the Quantum lineup, the MSI MPG Z590 Carbon EKX, the latest of the Intel-based motherboards on the market. Reviews of the recently launched Rocket Lake CPUs are finally being released, so this is the perfect time for you to pick the right motherboard for it. This is not the first motherboard collaboration between MSI and EK. The MPG Z490 EKX was a very successful product, meant for enthusiasts and gamers. And what do you do when you have a good recipe? You do it again. This product's ideology for the new Z590 Carbon EKX hasn't changed. It is meant to pack quality components, offer ample connectivity for gamers, and efficient cooling for those high boost clocks. It is equipped with all essential features for these intense gaming sessions. These include a blazing fast, low-latency 2.5 gigabit network controller, the latest Wi-Fi 6E solution, Bluetooth 5.2, Audio Boost 5 and the MSI Gaming LAN Manager. This Gaming LAN Manager automatically prioritizes latency-sensitive applications such as online games, which will give you the edge on the battlefield thanks to a quick response time. The 18-phase duet-rail power system ensures that you get the most out of your high-performance Intel Core processor, while the VRM power delivery is kept in check by the EK monoblock cooling solution. But the fun doesn't stop there. Included with the motherboard and the tailor-made monoblock is the EK leak tester. It is a fast and safe way of testing for possible leaks in your liquid cooling loop. Meaning, if you are building your first custom loop liquid-cooled PC, the leak tester can guarantee everything is connected properly even before adding any liquid to the loop. How awesome is that? The second treat that can be found in the product box is a coupon code for the EK webshop, so you can upgrade your PC with the latest EK liquid cooling gear. If you're interested to see everything that is included, be sure to check out our unboxing video that is linked in the description below. Fortunately for you, there are also some reviews already available, and we are more than happy to share some of the feedback with you. The Romanian Lab 501 Enthusiast Tech review page wrote: MSI and EK water blocks are basically offering a full block solution in a price range where we don't usually find something like this, and they do it really well. The MSI MPG Z590 Carbon EKX comes with all the specs and accessories one might need, a strong VRM and state-of-the-art connectivity. While the review is written in Romanian, Google Translate works well enough to get all the important facts about the product. Next up, we have Performance PCs, one of the biggest modding gear retailers in the world, and their blog post. They wrote: "Thankfully, EK and MSI's collaboration has once again brought a package deal that checks all the boxes. MSI's digital 18-phase power design for CPU power delivery is conveniently cooled by EK's monoblock to allow you to achieve some of the highest overclocks possible with water cooling. There's really nothing not to love about this board." And Tom's Hardware says, "The MSI MPG Z590 Carbon EKX finds a nice niche spot in the motherboard market by pairing a mid-range board and a custom monoblock at a much more palatable price point than its competitors. Between the leak tester and the EK webshop coupon, it will be difficult finding a better deal on the same components bought on your own. Given that, plus this motherboard's healthy list of features makes it easy to recommend if you're looking for a motherboard that supports CPU and VRM water cooling out of the box. At this price, the Carbon EKX is the only game in town, and we couldn't have said it better ourselves. So thanks for taking the words out of our, well, keyboard." This is all that we prepared for this product highlight video. I hope that this was helpful and gave you some food for thought for your next PC upgrade. Like, subscribe and spread the word. Until next time.